Good morning, students. In the last class, we solved some problems, homogeneous differential equation. Already some problems were completed. And first of all, in a public examination, if the question is given, how to identify whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. First, the given problem expressed as dy by dx is equal to, in that each term of degree must be same. So that is only indication of homogeneous differential equation. So now we will do some more problems. The first one is solve x into dy is equal to y plus x into cos square y by x dx. And first you can write from this dy by dx is equal to y plus x into cos square y by x by x by cross multiplication. Now this is homogeneous differential equation because y power 1 degree is 1, variable x degree is 1, degree is 1. This is trigonometry function, just you can leave it, degree is not defined, just you can verify degree. So each term of degree is 1. So this is an homogeneous differential equation. So now let us start process. Let v is equal to y by x, and from this y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect to 2x. So dy by dx is equal to uv rule, v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So substitute in equation 1. So from equation 1, left side v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y. Here we can write vx plus x into cos square y by x. So we can write v by x. From this step y we are eliminated, and here you can take x is common, v plus cos square v by x. Now x cancel. So x into dv by dx is equal to v plus cos square v. Left side we have v, this is converted into right side. Now plus v minus v cancel. X into dv by dx is equal to x into dv by dx is equal to, so we have only cos square v. Now for this step apply variables separable. That means dv by cos square v is equal to dx by x. I told you already in previous class, for every homogeneous differential equation, right side is always we will get dx by x only. Now we can do it integrating on both sides. Integral 1 by cos square v means we can write secant square v dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx. It is secant square v, so tan v is equal to log x, plus you can write c or log c, whatever it may be, both are same only. And now just replace v. V means y by x is equal to log cx, or which is expressed as change into exponential function. Base is e, then we can write e power tan of y by x is equal to cx. So this is the solution. So the next problem, find equation of a curve whose gradient is, that means slope dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cos square y by x, x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and which passes through the point 1 comma pi by 4. First of all, you can simplify the given differential equation. First of all, and we will discuss later what is the meaning of the second statement. So first given dy by dx is equal to y by x minus cos square y by x. So start process. Put v is equal to y by x, and from this y is equal to vx. When we are doing differentiate, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, and this is equation 1, and substitute in 1 also. From equation 1, then v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, this is y by x, so we can write directly v minus cos square v. Okay, now x into dv by dx is equal to v minus cos square v, left side v, move it to right side, minus v. So plus v minus v cancel, and this is we can write dv by minus cos square v is equal to dx by x. This minus you can write left side or right side, whatever it may be. Now you can do integrating on both sides, so that integral 1 by cos square v means we can write minus integral secant square v dv. This is 1 by cos square v, which is secant square v, which is equal to integral dx by x, minus integral secant square v means tan v is equal to log x plus c, or you can write log c, whatever it may be. So minus tan v, that means y by x is equal to log x plus c. This is equation 2. Here problem is not over. Why? Because in this problem we have one more statement. Let us discuss now about the statement. And that means the equation of this curve which passes through the point 1 comma pi by 4. That means when we are solving, so we will get one equation, that means this is only. So this equation is as per given problem passing through 1 comma pi by 4. That means this point substitute in this equation, then we will get c value. That c value replace in equation 2. So that is only final answer. So finally the meaning of the second statement is the curve is passes through the given point, that point substitute here. So since it is, that means this curve passes through, the point is 1 comma pi by 4. That means x value is 1, y value is pi by 4. So minus tan y, that means pi by 4 by x value is 1, is equal to log x, x value is 1 plus c, minus tan pi by 4 means tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees means value is 1, is equal to log 1 value is 0 plus c. Finally c is equal to minus 1. So this c is equal to minus 1, substitute in equation 2. So from equation 2, then minus tan y by x is equal to log x plus c, that means minus 1. So this is only final answer, otherwise just minus 1 you can translate it to LHS. And one more problem, solve x minus y log y plus y log x into dx plus x into log y minus log x dy is equal to 0. So first of all here we have to simplify, that means x minus, from these two just we can take y is common, then we can write log y minus log x, again whole dx, okay, plus x into log y minus log x. So simply we can write log y by x into dy is equal to 0. And now x minus y, log y minus log x, that means log y by x whole dx which is equal to, just you can separate it, minus x into log of y by x dy. Now from this you can write dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, this is by this is. Here we have minus, so that this is we can express as y into log of y by x minus x by x into log of y by x. Have you understood? This is minus. So minus of this is means y minus y into log of y by x minus x by x into log y by x. And also we can write one more step, that means dy by dx is equal to y, this is first term by total denominator means these two are cancelled. So we will get only y by x minus x by total denominator. By that time x cancelled. So 1 by log of y by x. Okay. So now these two are cancelled, then y by x. In the second part x cancelled, minus 1 by log y by x. So now let us start the process. So do you know already? Put v is equal to y by x, and from this y is equal to vx. So when we are doing derivative, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. That is the common part. So now from this, from equation 1, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, you can observe here, this is y by x, we can write directly v minus 1 by log again y by x, we can write v. Now both sides v cancel, otherwise plus v, just you can move it, that is minus, both are cancelled. So finally x into dv by dx is equal to minus 1 by log v. Now you can do cross multiplication, that means variables separables are applicable. Then you can write log v into dv. Log v into dv is equal to minus dx by x. Now integrating on both sides, integral log v dv is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx. Integral log x. Integral log x means already we did in integration chapter. Integration log x means formula is integral log x dx. Actual standard process is into 1 and by parts. The formula is x into log x minus 1. This is integral log x dx. Actual process is log x into 1 dx. So we have to apply by parts. When we are doing by parts, then you can get x into log x minus x. So that you can apply now. Into log v, that means v into log v minus 1 is equal to minus log x. Integration is over plus c. Now replace v. V means y by x. So y by x into log of y by x minus 1 is equal to minus log x plus c. So now y by x into, this is log a by b, log a minus log x minus 1 is equal to minus log x plus c. Now here multiply with y, y log y minus y log x minus y is equal to x into, this is minus x log x plus cx, just a cross multiplication. Now this is log x, this is also log x. Convert and you can take common. Y log y minus y log x is as it is, and this is you can convert, plus x log x is equal to minus y means y plus cx, minus y converted to right side. So now finally y log y, from these two just plus log x you can take common. Log x common means x minus y is equal to y plus cx. So this is final answer. Now in this exercise one more problem, and it is very important problem also. 1 plus e power x by y into dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. You can observe here, in each term here x by y is involved here. When we are doing homogeneous problems, all the problems are, we are taking put v is equal to y by x, because in that almost all the problems, in that problem every term contain y by x formation, but here we have x by y term. This is x by y and this is also x by y. Here x by y is involved, so that for this problem only, let us consider as x by y is equal to v. Do you understand clearly? Remaining previous all the problems are, we are taking as v is equal to y by x. Almost all the problems, when we are converting into dy by dx, in that the terms contain y by x formation. But in this problem, we have x by y term. So that consider as x by y equal to v. From that, x is equal to vy. Differentiate with respect to y here. In the previous problems, differentiate with respect to x, previous problems. So finally, x by y equal to v, and before that, here the problem is converted into dx by dy formation, because x by y term is involved here. So finally, the given problem can be written as 1 plus e power x by y into dx is equal to minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy. From this, we can write dx by dy is equal to e power x by y into minus of this is, so x by y minus 1 by 1 plus e power x by y. This is equation 1. Okay, now put v is equal to x by y. So from this, x is equal to vy. Differentiate with respect to y. With respect to y, so that x we are doing derivative with respect to y means dx by dy is equal to uv rule, uv rule. So v into y dash, the derivative of y with respect to y means 1 plus y into dv by dy. So finally, dx by dy is equal to v plus y into dv by dy. Substitute in equation 1. From equation 1, we can write v plus y into dv by dy is equal to e power x by y, that means only v, x by y, v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v. So as per process, plus v converted into left side, y into dv by dy is equal to e power v into v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v and minus v. Just we can write by 1. Now LCM of these two, y into dv by dy is equal to, LCM is 1 plus e power v LCM. Then this is into this is e power v into v minus e power v minus v into LCM, v into 1 plus e power v. So just you can simplify e power v into v minus e power v. Next multiply with minus, minus v into 1 v minus into plus minus v into e power v by 1 plus e power v. Just be concentrate on numerator, some terms will be cancelled. E power v into v, e power v into these two are cancelled. And here you can take minus is common, then e power v plus v by 1 plus e power v, left side y into dv by dy. Now you can convert variable separable dv. So 1 plus e power v by e power v plus 1 dv is equal to minus dy by y. You better to verify once again whether it is correct or wrong by taking cross multiplication, and you can check. Now integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, just here 1 plus e power v by e power v plus v this is. So e power v plus v dv is equal to minus integral dy by y. Now left side just you can verify integral. How to do it is very simple. Here one formula is connecting integral f dash x by fx, e power v derivative e power v plus v derivative 1, because with respect to v here. So finally e power v derivative is e power v derivative is 1. Exactly it is satisfying integral f dash x by fx. So formula is log of fx e power v plus v is equal to minus log y plus log c. Now log of e power v means x by y plus x by y is equal to log a minus log b, log a by b, so c by y. Logarithm is eliminated. Therefore e power x by y plus x by y is equal to c by y. Or we can write, we can do cross multiplication, y into e power x by y plus x by y is equal to c. This is final solution. So now the example problem is, give the solution of x into sin square y by x dx is equal to y dx minus x dy, which passes through the point 1 comma pi by 4. Or in that model one problem we are completed. First let us solve given differential equation, and after that in that solution you can replace that point. Write the given differential equation, given that x into sin square y by x dx is equal to y dx minus x dy. First we have to simplify. This is dx and this is also dx. Just you can convert and take dx is common. This is minus x dy. You can convert x dy is equal to y dx minus x into sin square y by x dx. So x dy is equal to, you can take dx is common, y minus x into sin square y by x. Now from this dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sin square y by x by x. Just we can start the process. Y by x is involved, v equal to y by x, and homogeneous because degree is 1, variable degree is 1, variable degree is 1. So that is the identification, you know very well. So now put v is equal to y by x, and from this y is equal to vx. When we are doing derivative, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. So now this is equation 1, and substitute from equation 1. Dy by dx v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y. Y means vx minus x into sin square y by x. We can write directly v by x. In a numerator, you can take x is common, v minus sin square v by x. Again x cancel. So finally we have x into dv by dx is equal to v minus sin square v minus sin square v, and the left side v just you can convert minus v. Okay. Now v cancel. So dv by sin square v is equal to dx by x. and minus you can write whether left side or right side, no problem. So, integrating on both sides, integral 1 by sin square v. So, cosecant square v dv is equal to integral dx by x. Now, you can integrate it. Integral cosecant square v minus cot v. So, it is again minus. So, finally, plus cot v is equal to log x plus c or log c, whatever it may be. Now, cot v, that means y by x, is equal to log x plus c. So, this is the equation of the curve when the given differential equation is solving. The solution of given differential equation simply. But in this problem, we have one more data. This equation which passes through the point 1 comma pi by 4. Just you can replace it here, then we will get c value. That c value substitute in equation 2. So, since it is passes through given point 1 comma pi by 4. So, cot y pi by 4 by 1 is equal to log x 1 plus c. Cot pi by 4, cot 45, 1 is equal to log 1 value 0 plus c. So, finally, c is equal to 1. The c is equal to 1, substitute in equation 2. So, from equation 2, so cot of y by x is equal to log x plus c, c value is 1. So, this is the way of solution. So, we shall discuss next part in the next class.